Good morning friends, Kranti here. Today I am going to discuss about a topic named areas related to circles. So students, you already learned about this concept in your earlier classes, and areas related to circles, it's a part of mensuration. In board examination you will get 10 marks. So students, my humble suggestion is you have to focus on this chapter and you need to practice thoroughly. So moving into the chapter, in earlier classes students are familiar with the methods of finding perimeters and areas of simple plane figures such as rectangles, squares, parallelograms, triangles and circles. You're already aware of all these names in your earlier classes, and in this chapter the first section is about perimeter and area of circle, and the concept of pi is discussed in this chapter. One solved example is discussed with in this section. Okay students, you will learn a lot in this chapter. And the concept of pi, you know the value of pi, it is 22 by 7 or 3.14. You are going to learn about this concept in this areas related to circles chapter. So in this chapter there are mainly three exercises: 12.1, 12.2 and 12.3. so in exercise 12.1, it containing only 5 questions, and second section deals with area of sector and segment of circle. 2 examples are discussed in this section to make the concepts clear to students. Okay students, and in exercise 12.2, it contains only 14 questions based on the topics and concepts in the above section in section 2. So in coming exercise, the next section is about topic area of combination of plane figures. By this concept, areas of combination of plane figures, you are going to solve exercise 12.3. This particular section contains 3 solved examples. By using these 3 solved examples, you can have a nice clarification to solve the problems in exercise 12.3. and this exercise 12.3 is based on above concept, that is area of combination of plane figures. Okay students, this is a very small chapter, but it is a part of mensuration. You might get a question in board examination for 10 marks. So students, my humble suggestion is you please practice exercise 12.1, 12.2 and 12.3. try to collect all the points in a separate notes. Why? Because while you are preparing for a board examination, you will be in hurry manner, but you don't know where to search this concept and where this concept came from. If you make a short notes or make some quotes where it is and where in what chapter the question came from, definitely you are going to score a lot in board examination. Okay students, later the summary of chapter is given at the end of this chapter. So students, please go through the summary every time. Any chapter you have to go to the summary after completion of that whole chapter. Why? Because it's like a pre-examination for your board examination. If you close your eyes and try to recollect the important formulas in the textbook, definitely you will get success in your board examination. It is my humble suggestion. Okay students, please like, share and subscribe. Why? Because I need so many students should learn something from my videos. Why? Because I am doing some homework which you will gain a lot of knowledge from my YouTube channel. Thank you students, please like, share and subscribe.